The next toolkit topic entry is called the Law of Cosines. And you use this one when you know side angle side and you're trying to find the side opposite the missing angle. So that's what's written up here. It works when you know SAS. So if you knew an angle, these two sides, and you're trying to find the side opposite, this is the tool that you would use to do that. The reason why you have to use the law of cosines is you would need to know one of the angles otherwise to do this, and we don't know another angle here. And here's an example of a problem. We'll be doing this in a minute. So here's where we know two sides, they're adjacent to each other with the angle in between it. This is what we know, and we're trying to figure out x. And once again, we can't do the law of sines because either we have to know the angle down here or this angle over here to find this missing side. So the law of sines is impossible. So this is how the formula works. The side that we're trying to find, we'll call that C in this case. So that's one opposite the angle we know, equals, so it's C squared equals A squared plus B squared. So it's the two sides we know that are adjacent to each other, square and add them together, minus 2 times A times B times cosine of angle C. And so let's do this problem down here, and you can see how this works here. So we're trying to find x. This is what we're trying to solve here. So that's going to be equivalent to what C is here. So we're going to say x squared equals A squared plus B squared. It doesn't really matter which one we call A and B, so we can say, how about 25 squared plus 41 squared minus 2 times A, which is 25, times B, which is 41, and then we multiply times cosine of the angle we know that's in between those two sides, which is 39 degrees. So if you've got your calculator right now, what's great about it is you can actually enter in all this information here on one line of your calculator. So I could go x squared equals, and then just punch in 25 squared plus 41 squared minus 2 times 25 times 41 times cosine 39 degrees. And if you do that, you're going to get an answer. So when I did it, I just got 712.850779. So that's what you should be getting when you punch in all this information up here. Then to undo a square, we square root. So we're going to go ahead and square root both sides here. So when you square root 712.850779, you should get, if we round off to two places, 26.70 units. So this is the law of cosines, and like I said, it's used when we know two sides and the angle in between them, but we're trying to find the side opposite that angle.